What is up, YouTube? I'm back on the Des Plaines River. The river is up about a foot today. Water temps are near the 70s. It's the end of May and I'm going after some northern pike. So hopefully we get on some fish today. I am starting with a brand new Dirty Chicken tube fly. It's a dual hook with a little treble in the back, a size 4.0 in the front, with a dragon tail. The tails can be removed for a smaller presentation, but I'm going to start with the tail. And I am just getting downriver to the spot, so hopefully we'll catch some pike. Maybe some bass too, who knows. This water temp, the bass really hit, so do the pike. So hopefully we get a big one today. So let's get after them. Oh, there goes a pike. We had a follower. I was tightening up my rod. Dang. Alright, we're going to take off the tail and see if that changes anything. Real easy to take it off. You just twist it off and there it goes. And we can just pop it in here now. A bunch of turtles on that log. Probably 4 or 5 of them just hanging out. So now the presentation is a little smaller. That I took the tail off from 8 to 9 inches to about 6 to 7. So maybe that will do the trick. Who knows? Another tangle. Not cool. I'll have to get that out. Oh, just missed one. He's gonna come back for it. There's one. Heck yeah, about time. Hopefully it's a pike. Yes, it is. It's a decent one. Might be pushing 30 inches. Maybe a little more. I didn't get a look at him. Let's get him down and bring him up in the net. Not yet. It's pretty strong. Oops, almost lost him. Come on, baby. On the treble hook. Oh, and he's off. Oh, he is 34 inch pike. Awesome. Tied my personal best for the year. Let's take a look at this guy, gator. Let's get him back in the water. There you go. All right, time to let this guy go, because he's been in the net for too long. Well, as you can see, he's hyped up. get a nice release. See ya, buddy. Down he goes. Back home. And I had him in the net for a good 5 minutes. So he is fully revived. Kind of chilled out. A lot of times you let them go, they don't know they're free, so they kind of just go to the bottom. See ya. Wow, awesome fish. That's what I like to see. So let's go work the same area again. If there's one, a lot of times there's more. We'll do a cast over here though after the release. Sometimes I catch them right here. Well, let's see if there's anyone over here hanging out. That'll be cool if we caught one right after the release. Actually, that would be amazing. But I think they're in the shallows over there. Oh, there is one. Wow. 2 for 2, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That was fast. This is a little guy. A little hangry pike. Nice and easy to get him in the net. Well, that was awesome. An hour of one follow and no strikes, and then 2 fish in a row. And that's pike fishing for you. So we're gonna get him unhooked. He's on the main hook only. Gotta get him. And when there's a treble hook, I try not to reach for the fly, but if it's single hook, I usually do. So it all depends on what's going on. But that is excellent. I'm just a little fella, so let's just dive him in. See ya. Although casting against the wind is not as easy with the fly rod. Wish I had the Marisola Predator rod. Although I don't want to spend $1,000 on the fly rod. It's just not something I would do. I feel like I have too much fishing gear as it is, so I only use this rod most of the time anyway. So what's the point? What's the point of getting more fishing gear? Just a waste of money. Oh, I think I just had a hit. Yep, got him. That's a decent fish. Seems like it at least. Oh yeah, nice strong pike. Oh, what is it? I think it's a pike. Let's get out towards the middle more, so we're not in those weeds. Let's keep them down. I always keep my rod tip down. The second you let him jump, you can lose him. I don't even know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna stop right here. Just bring him in. That's a strong little pike, man. Oh, it's not little. Another 30-incher. A fat one. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. That is a nice one. He's about ready. On the treble hook. Wow, he is angry. This one's an angry pike, as you can tell. Big net lets him swim around. What's up, Pikey? I got you, you dirty dog. Ha!
Now you're free. A little treble hook got you, didn't it? Little buddy. I say he's 30 inches for sure. Maybe 31. Get the net out there in case he jumps. Oh yeah. 32 inch river pike, guys. Let's take a quick look at him. Very nice fish. Awesome. Get him back in the water and then we're gonna release him right away. Wow, what a good day. They are just feeding before the storm comes. And this guy is really pumped up, ready to go. So, see ya. Oh no. Let me turn him around. Here we go. See ya, buddy. Yes. 2 beautiful river pike today. Oh. No, there was one fish here. That usually means there was several around. So I worked this whole shoreline again. Make sure we don't miss a nice pike. Ah, woodpecker. What up, Woody? There's one. Heck yeah. Nice. Seems like a smaller guy because lots of head shakes. Could be a bass, but I think it's a pike. I guess you never know until you see him with these guys. Oh yeah, it's a little pike, a 26, 27 inch. On the treble hook. You little pikey. No, there he goes. Oh, he unhooked himself. Good job. A lot of times the treble hook will grab the net as he shakes, and he unhooks himself. Take a look at you. You little... Nah, he's about 27, 28 inches, this guy. So we're just gonna let him go since he wants to go home. See ya. There he goes. Give him a little splash for encouragement. Very nice fish. That's 4 pike in not so long of time.